Okay, in previous videos we were looking about math and variables in Ruby, and I would like to talk about operator precedence in this video. So what is operator precedence? So let us just have something like this. Okay, 3 plus 5, that is okay 8. Okay, and then 8 into 4. Okay, that's 32, right? So I can write it like 3 plus 5 star 4, right? And that gives 23. So something is wrong over here. Like somehow Ruby isn't evaluating 3 plus 5 first and then multiplying with 4. Something fishy is happening, right? So there is a thing called operator precedence. Like some operators are preferred, or that is, are evaluated first before other operators. So you need to know this order. Otherwise, some programs can be confusing. Let me tell you, with some other example, right? Okay, so okay, let me just say, okay, like 5 star 2 raised to the power of 2. Okay, so you would think that okay, 5 star 2 is 10 and 2 raised to the power of 2 is okay. So you might be thinking like, okay, it is 10, 5 star 2 is 10, and that raised to the power of 2 is 100, right? But that isn't the case, right? It'll be 5 star, okay, 2 raised to the power of 2. Like 2 raised to the power of 2 will be evaluated first, and then that will be multiplied by 5. So the answer will be 20, right? So you need to know which things will be evaluated first and which won't be evaluated first, right? So let me tell you the order. First, this thing to the power of, this will be what to say, operated upon first. And next, okay, there is a thing called board mass. Okay, so okay, let me just tell you, okay, what is board mass is. Okay, first is, okay, that's board mass, BODMAS, right? Okay, so the B stands for brackets. Whatever is in the brackets will be evaluated first, right? And just forget about this O, that means off, right? Okay, so and next will be division. But in Ruby, before division comes this thing to the raise to the power of, right? Okay, and next will be multiplication, and next will be addition, and next will be subtraction, that is minus, right? Okay, so this is the uh, in this way Ruby evaluates. Okay, so whatever is in the brackets gets evaluated first. So now let's consider this thing like 3 plus 5 star 4, right? So if you want 3 and 5 to be added first, put them in brackets. Okay, so 3 plus 5 star 4, right? And it's really good in real programming. It's really good to use brackets. Okay, even if you want like 5 star 4 to be evaluated first for small programs, okay, it's not needed much, or something what you're using personally. Okay, like if you can keep track of it, that's okay. But in a professional environment, okay, you need to put brackets so that like people will know which thing is done first. And so yeah, this one gives 23 because 5 star 4 will be evaluated first, and that will be added to 3, right? Okay. um, uh, some other example. um, what example? Okay, I was just telling you, okay, like length of the triangle was 12 units and the breadth was uh, 9. Actually, I'm just embarrassed about my spelling or something like that. Okay, so I'm just putting length plus breadth. And in order to calculate perimeter, okay, it is 2 star L plus B, right? So if I do that, right, I'm getting 33. Okay, but the thing is L plus B should be evaluated first, and that should be multiplied by 2. So that's the right answer. So like it should be written like, okay, 2 star L plus B. So L plus B will be evaluated first, and they will be multiplied by 2. So this is the right answer. So this is actually operator precedence, and let me give you some other video, right? So 2 raised to the power of 5 will be 32, right? And just uh, try to calculate, okay, 2 raised to the power of 5 slash 5, what this will be, right? um, just think of it. Let me just run it. Okay, 6. Then okay, I've done something wrong. uh, the operator precedence should be like, okay, it should be brackets slash star 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 star, that's raised to the power of star, and then star and plus minus. Okay, I've done wrong. Okay, and because 5 by 5 will be 1 and 2 raised to the power of 5. um okay, sorry, I'm really sorry. This is the right one, this is the right one, this is absolutely right one. Okay, this is absolutely right one. Okay, so what happens is, like, okay, 2 raised to the power of 5 will be 32, that will be evaluated first, and that by 5, that will be 6, right? So I'm really sorry, like, it will be, the operator precedence is brackets, and then what to say, uh, raised to the power of, and next division, next multiplication, next addition, and next subtraction. So if you want to calculate, okay, 2 raised to the power of 5 by 5, okay, so you just put it like this. So brackets will be evaluated first, so 5 by 5 will be 1 and 2 raised to the power of 1 will be 2, right? So this is how operator precedence, or okay, if you're doing math, you need to know about operator precedence, and try to use brackets wherever possible, so that um, in the future you won't be confused about your programs, or somebody reading your programs won't be confused about it. Okay, even though you know that, okay, like, there's raised to the power of something is being operated upon first, and even others might know, right? It's better to put brackets like this, right? So if you want to calculate 2 raised to the power of 5 and then that divided by 5, right? uh, that differentiates between an ordinary programmer and a better programmer. Okay, so anyway, I hope you would have enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.